Honestly, I did not expect these eyeshadows to be this good. The packaging caught my attention first, but the formula is what truly impressed me. Hi everyone, I'm Cristina, a professional makeup artist and beauty content creator. Welcome to my beauty channel. In today's video I'm going to show you everything, the unboxing, the swatches, how they blend and how every single shade looks on the eyes. If you want a full review from a makeup artist about the Winky Lux Rose Petal liquid eyeshadows, keep watching. Let's start with the unboxing. Right away, what really stands out is the packaging. It looks elegant, feminine and very luxurious. With this beautiful gold rose detail on the cup, the tubes are lightweight, easy to hold and the applicator is very precise, which makes application simple even for beginners. Honestly, I was really impressed, not just by how pretty they look, but by how well they perform. And now I'm going to show you each shade individually. First swatch on the hand and then apply it on the eyes. These are lightweight liquid eyeshadows designed to be comfortable on the eyelids and long lasting throughout the day. They can last up to 12 hours and they are designed to be crease resistant and very easy to blend. The formula is infused with nourishing ingredients like vitamin E and mango seed butter, which helps keep the eyelids soft and hydrated instead of dry or cakey. They come in both matte and shimmer finishes, and the coverage is buildable, so you can keep it soft and natural, or layer it for a more intense look. This is Magnolia Shimmer, a champagne shimmer, and honestly this is one of those shades that looks good on everyone. It's elegant, versatile and very easy to wear, whether you're doing everyday makeup or a special occasion look. This shade brightens the eyes, adds dimension, looks very flattering on mature skin. It works beautifully for brown eyes, blue eyes, green eyes, hazel eyes. Basically it's a universal shade. This is Chamomile Matte, a cool beige matte. This is actually one of my most used shades for brides. It's that perfect neutral beige, not too pink, not too brown. You can wear it on its own for a very clean natural look or pair it with a shimmer shade for a classic bridal makeup. It looks absolutely beautiful combined with Magnolia Shimmer. You can apply the shimmer in the center of the lid or on half of the eyelid for a soft and elegant effect. This shade works especially well for hooded eyes, mature skin, everyday makeup, bridal looks, and it suits all eye colors because it's such a balanced neutral. Let's talk about the formula. The matte shades have a creamy thin and very soft texture. They are highly pigmented and long lasting, but they don't dry too quickly, which gives you enough time to blend. They feel very comfortable on the eyes. They are not the kind of eyeshadows that are dry out the eyelids or make them look cakey. Once they set, they look smooth, even and not patchy at all. You can also layer them for more opacity or combine colors for a more complex look. The shimmer shades have a very thin texture with fine satin-like particles. They look smooth, luminous and very natural on the eyes. They blend beautifully with both a synthetic brush or your finger. If you want a softer look, use a brush. If you want a more intense shimmer effect, use your finger. They're long lasting, they don't crease and they stay comfortable all day. Next is Primrose Shimmer, a baby pink shimmer. This shade is perfect if you love soft romantic makeup. It gives a fresh, feminine look and is very flattering on lighter skin tones, but it also works beautifully on deeper skin tones as a soft highlight. It's especially beautiful for blue eyes, enhances brightness, green eyes, makes them pop, brown eyes, adds softness, and it's perfect for bridal makeup, spring makeup, everyday glow. Next is Cedar Matte, a warm taupe matte. This shade is more brown toned and it's perfect for creating a soft smoky eye or for intensifying the outer corner of the eye. For bridal makeup it looks stunning paired with Magnolia Shimmer for a champagne look, Primrose Shimmer for a more pink tone look. I recently created a beautiful look using this as a base and the result was very elegant and soft. This shade is perfect for brown eyes, enhances warmth, blue eyes adds contrast, and green eyes intensifies depth. This is Sunflower Shimmer, a rose gold shimmer, and this shade is absolutely perfect for a bronzed makeup look. It adds warmth and glow to the eyes and looks stunning for summer makeup, evening makeup, vacation looks. It's especially flattering for brown eyes, hazel eyes, green eyes. Here I applied every shade using the applicator first, just so you can see exactly how I do it. Then I blend it with my finger and with a fluffy synthetic brush. For more intense shades, I recommend using a more precise brush. It gives you better control. Next is a soft lavender shimmer. This shade really screams spring. It's fresh, playful, and very beautiful on the eyes. Lavender tones are amazing for brown eyes to create contrast, green eyes to enhance color, hazel eyes to add brightness, and it's perfect for spring makeup, romantic looks, creative looks. These liquid eyeshadows are not overly dry, but for the easiest blending, I suggest applying them over a lightweight concealer or foundation. This creates a smoother base and helps the product blend effortlessly, especially if your skin is dry. This is a sage green shimmer. I personally love wearing this kind of green eyeshadows in spring or autumn, or for evening events, especially when I wear a green dress. Here, I first applied just a small amount, so you can see how natural it looks. Even though it's green, it doesn't look heavy at all, and when you apply a second layer, the color becomes more intense and more vibrant. This shade is perfect for brown eyes to enhance warmth, hazel eyes to intensify green tones, green eyes to create harmony, and finally this is Midnight Shimmer, a gunmetal grey shimmer. This is the darkest shade from the range. I know it might look intense at first, but the beauty of this formula is that you can control the intensity. If you apply a small amount, it looks soft and subtle. If you apply 2 layers, you can create a beautiful smoky eye with cool blue-grey tones. Here you can also see that I applied it a bit too precisely at the beginning and didn't blend it quickly enough. This can happen especially with darker shades, so if you ever make this mistake, just take a bit of foundation or a more elastic concealer and blend the edges. It will instantly soften the look. This shade is especially beautiful for blue eyes. It enhances the cool tones and makes the eyes look brighter. Brown eyes, it creates contrast and adds depth. Green eyes, it makes the color appear more intense and dramatic. Hazel eyes, it highlights both the green and brown tones. This shade is perfect for evening makeup, smoky eyes, special occasions, winter or holiday looks. And here at the end, I'm showing you all the shades next to each other on the hand. This makes it much easier to see the difference between them and choose your favorite. You can combine 2 matte shades, 2 shimmer shades, or 1 matte with 1 shimmer. They are incredibly versatile, perfect for both personal use and professional makeup kits. And this was my review of the Winky Lux Rose Petal liquid eyeshadows. Honestly, I'm impressed from the packaging to the formula to the performance. Everything feels high quality and very easy to use. I hope this video guys help you to see how they look, how they blend, and how versatile these shades are. If you want to save 15% at Winky Lux, use my code CristinaBeauty15. Products and shades are linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!